Okay, guys, I'm just looking at if function exercise 8. So create a new spreadsheet workbook and rename sheet 1 example 1. I've done that. Question 2, use an if function to calculate the expenses based on the following information. If the return date is equal to the depart date, then there are no overnight expenses. If the return date is greater than the depart date, then the overnight expenses are paid at €27 per night. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is go to the cell where we want to start our if function. So it's D2. Okay, then go up to your FX button and we're looking for if, and we're going to click OK. Okay, so the first part there, if the return date is equal to the depart date, then there are no overnight expenses. So if the return date, so if B2 is equal to, so the equal symbol, the depart date, so A2, then there are no overnight expenses. So if that's true, they're going to get no overnight expenses, so we're just going to pop in 0. Okay, so that's the first part. The second part there, if the return date is greater than the depart date, then the overnight expenses are paid at €27 per night. Okay, so we need to figure out really how many days are between the return date and the depart date. And once we know that, then we can multiply it by our €27 per night. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is type in 27. And as I was saying, I wouldn't put the euro symbol in here. We can include it after. Sometimes when you put the euro symbol in here, the function doesn't recognize it, and it can just kind of, I suppose, change the way the answer would appear. Okay, so I'm going to put in 27. We're going to include the multiplication symbol. Okay, and we're going to open our bracket, and we want to find how many days between the return date and the depart date. Okay, so I'm going to click on B2 minus the depart date, and I'm going to close my brackets. And I'm going to click OK. Okay, so that's it there. And then, like all our functions, we will drag it down. And for example, then as you can see here, this is blank, which it should be because it's the depart date is the 12th and the return date is the 12th. So this person here wouldn't be getting any overnight expenses.